to have your movies and we look forward to giving you a great show tonight. In order to do that, we need your cooperation. Number 1. Yes! Please take all the pictures and videos you want so that you always have a souvenir.